I'm finally back! Come bullet journal with me. Yesterday, I stayed home. No, I did not. Yesterday, we went out. My husband and I went out with our dog and we went to the mall. I didn't have a lot of stress yesterday because I decided not to work in the afternoon and spend time with my dog instead. I filmed videos of my June bullet journal and I also sent emails to some of my subscribers. This is my bullet journal for June and I also made a mini version. I'm not tracking my shopping, but I bought another set of Ohuhu markers. And the reason I bought this is because I want to easily transition colors or blend colors, and I can't do that with the first set that I bought. Yesterday, I finally took my vitamins, and as you can see, I only take my vitamins when I'm journaling. And for gratitude, I'm thankful that my sister gave me extra money. And yesterday at the mall, our dog was behaved. And also, we watched a movie, Scarecrow. It's a Tagalog or Filipino movie. That's it. I finished all the coloring pages that I printed. So I'm going to print some more. And I know I'm not very good at it, but that's why I keep practicing, right? That's all for my bullet journal update. And then let's go to my June bullet journal.